This is not motivation. This is not a pep talk. This is a full-scale neurological assault on the version of you that breaks under pressure. You're not here to feel good. You're here to become lethal, not violent, precise, not angry, calculated. We're not rewiring you to survive. We're re-engineering you to dominate. Under stress, under fire, under collapse. This process has 3 phases. Miss one and the rest will betray you. Phase 1, mental override. The split-second hack that seizes control mid-breakdown. Phase 2, the cost of indestructibility. The invisible scars you'll carry in silence. Phase 3, the resurrection. How to hold power without becoming your own executioner. Stay to the end or stay the same. There is a moment. It's not loud. It's not cinematic. It's quiet. It's when your breath shortens, your chest tightens, and your mind starts whispering lies about your limits. That is the edge. Most people slip. They spiral. They seek comfort. But a select few, they override. Override protocol. The instant before collapse, insert command. Not, I can't handle this. But this is where I'm carved. Not, this is breaking me. But this is when I break through. Override isn't fake positivity. It's the art of weaponizing perception. Pain isn't the enemy. Meaninglessness is. When you assign pain a purpose, it becomes fuel. Your brain doesn't respond to reality. It responds to interpretation. So you rewrite the code. Your story becomes steel. Here's how to hardwire it. Drill 1. Scenario rehearsal. Your nervous system speaks experience, so give it what it fears on purpose. Close your eyes, imagine public humiliation, rejection by the one you crave most, failure on the grandest stage. Now step into the version of you that doesn't flinch. What do they look like? What do they say internally? How do they respond to hell? This is stress inoculation, mental preloading. So when reality hits, your mind says, I've been here before, let's dance. Drill 2, micro freezes. 3 times a day, when you're irritated, interrupted, or insulted, you freeze. No words, no movement. You observe, not react. Why? Because reaction is weakness. Delayed action is dominance. This reroutes your neural pathway from the amygdala, emotion, to the prefrontal cortex, strategy. You're not ignoring emotion, you're defanging it. Drill 3. Tactical delay. Never decide during adrenaline. Chalked hours. That's your rule. When you want to lash out, quit, cry, or cling, you wait, write it down, walk away. Return only when emotion has died and clarity reigns. This builds tactical silence, the most underrated form of psychological power. Drill 4, emotion fasting. Pick one emotion you've been worshiping: rage, validation, hunger, guilt, pity. Now starve it. No outlet, no reaction, no rationalization. Observe it like a parasite trying to survive in your body. You don't kill it, you unplug it 7 days, and you'll realize it never owned you. You fed it. Now you're free. But here's the part no one tells you. With this power comes decay. You'll stop crying, then you'll stop caring. Then you'll stop connecting. That's the shadow side of strength. You become so stable that emotion feels like a threat. You'll look at broken people and feel nothing but confusion. You'll forget the ache that built you. That's the cost. So remember this. Unshakable doesn't mean untouchable. Control doesn't mean cold. You can be forged in fire and still recognize rain. Final phase. The human weapon mastery is not about silencing emotion. It's about reading it like data. Sadness doesn't mean stop. It means slow. Anger doesn't mean explode. It means act with edge. Fear doesn't mean run. It means prepare. You translate. You don't obey. Your mind is now a cockpit, not a prison. But every pilot needs a ground check. That check is your code. Write it, memorize it, live it. I do not react to manipulate. I do not punish the innocent for what the guilty did. I protect my fire, but never let it consume my empathy. I carry silence not as a weapon, but as a shield. That's how you stay human. This isn't a mindset shift. It's a mental insurgency. You are not adapting to chaos. You are designing who you are within it. You are no longer just surviving storms. You are becoming the system that births them. But always remember, real power isn't feeling nothing. It's choosing what deserves to be felt. Stay sharp, stay awake, stay human, on purpose.